The science of butter. Butter is fascinating. To understand the science of butter, we first need to learn about milk. Why? Because butter comes from milk. Mammals produce milk, and it is the first food for their babies. It is the only thing their babies need because it is a complete food source. Milk contains carbohydrates, vitamins, proteins, and fat, which are important for growth. It helps muscles grow, builds strong bones, and gives animals energy. Did you know milk is better for athletes than a sports drink? The fat in milk is what makes butter. Humans are the only mammals that drink milk as adults. This is because they can get milk from farm animals, mostly cows. Milk spoils quickly. Before refrigerators, people turned milk into other products to keep it fresh longer. One of those things is butter. Butter has been around for 9,000 years. You can make butter from cow, sheep, goat, yak, and even buffalo milk. Since cows are easier to raise and produce large amounts of milk, most butter comes from cow's milk. An emulsion is a mixture of two or more liquids that do not usually mix. Typically, one of the liquids spreads as droplets throughout the other liquid. Milk is a fat in water emulsion because it contains fat droplets floating in the milk. The fat droplets float to the top when the pure milk is left to sit. These separated fat droplets, called butterfat or cream, are used to make butter. The cream is skimmed off the top of the milk and used for cooking, baking, and making butter. Cream is also a fat and water emulsion. To make butter, we need to cause the fat droplets to separate from the liquid and join together to form large globs. Making butter is simple and can be done in just a few easy steps. To make butter, you must bring the cream to room temperature. Next, it is time to churn the butter in a process called coalescing. The fat droplets are more attracted to each other than the liquid in the butter fat. Shaking the cream causes the fat droplets to clump together. A butter churn uses a paddle to speed up the process. The method is complete when a white liquid called buttermilk surrounds a large glob of butter. The buttermilk is strained from the butter and used to make things like biscuits and pancakes. Butter is a water in fat emulsion because water droplets are spread throughout the butter. Peanut butter is another example. Butter is soft until chilled. The color varies based on what the cow eats. It can be white to pale yellow. Salt adds flavor and helps prevent spoiling. Salt was a necessary ingredient before refrigerators. To be called butter, it must be over 80% fat. People all over the world use it in recipes. In the United States, butter is called sweet cream butter because it is made from pasteurized milk. Pasteurization is heating milk to kill germs such as bacteria and viruses. Whipped butter is easier to spread because it is lighter and less dense due to air added during processing. Thanks to the invention of refrigerators, we enjoy milk beyond cream, butter, and buttermilk. Now we can enjoy yummy yogurt, cheese, and delicious ice cream. How wonderful! This video brought to you by Kimberly Scott Science. Check out the video description for the corresponding reading passage, lesson activities, and a hands-on exploration.